Hello students, today we will see lesson number 2. A rupees goes a long way. Title itself suggests that it is about a currency. Student, have you seen old coins of 20 paisas, 25 paisas, 5 paisas? Do you know? Yes, you can ask your granny, grandmother, grandfather, and you can see from them. This lesson is about 1 rupees old coin, means about a old currency. This present lesson is written by, adapted from a rupees goes a long way by Ruskin Bond. We will see a short introduction about a writer. Ruskin Bond is an Indian writer of British origin who has played a very important role in the growth of children's literature in India. Most of his writing is influenced by life in the hill stations at the foothills of the Himalayas where he spent his childhood. Before that, I have seen already one video about explanation of this lesson. In that you have seen how the trades were going or exchanging things were going in the past period or ancient periods, means that time when currency was not there, how the people were exchange things with each other. Ranji, he is a one boy and he wants to eat a jalebi. It is one of the sweet. Which sweet you like, students? Yes, jalebis, vadis, burfis, pedas. So many sweets are there. In that Ranji was fond of jalebis. We will see what he did to get the jalebis. Ranji had 1 rupee coin, so he made his way to the Jamna sweet shop. See here, Jamna sweet shop, picture of the shop. There is one Ranji and here is one shopkeeper. So he made his way to the Jamna sweet shop, tossed the coin on the counter and asked for a rupees worth of jalebis. The shopkeeper looked at the coin carefully. That coin's no good, he said. What happened? When the Ranji put the coin on that counter and asked him 1 rupees worth of jalebis, please. That time the shopkeeper seen that coin carefully and he told to Ranji that the coins no good, means it is a old coin, it is not having value nowadays. Are you sure? Ranji asked. Then Ranji asked, are you sure, uncle? These coins went out of use long ago, means it was used so many long ago, said the shopkeeper. It isn't old enough to be valuable and it isn't new enough to buy anything. Uncle, means this rupee is not having any value. It is not valuable now and isn't new enough to buy anything. I can't buy anything from this coin. Ranji shrugged to the coin back and turned on the road. Here, shrug word means raise his shoulders and drop them, show he did not care much, means he was not having too much care about that rupees. Soon Ranji was wandering through the bazaar. Here, bazaar means a marketplace. When he heard a familiar voice behind him, where are you going, Ranji? From his behind, someone called him, where are you going, Ranji? It was Mohinder Singh. Who was calling from behind? Mohinder Singh, Ranji's friend. Who was Ranji's friend? Mohinder Singh. In one hand, Mohinder held homemade fishing rod. What he was having in hand? A fishing rod. I am not going anywhere, said Ranji. Where are you going? I am not going. I have been, Mohinder said. I was fishing in the canal of all morning. Here, canal word means a small passage dug in the ground to carry water to fields crops ate. Means that Ranji used to go every day to the canal for fishing. Ranji stared at the fishing rod. Will you lend it to me? He asked. You will only lose it for a bracket, Mohinder said. But I don't mind selling it to you, 2 rupees. Then Mohinder said to Ranji that you will only lose it or break it. Means you can't use it properly or you don't have any use of this rod. But I don't mind selling it to you for 2 rupees. When you give me a 2 rupees, I will give this rod to you. I have got 1 rupee, Ranji said, but it's an old one. The sweet seller would not take it. That time Ranji said to Mohinder that I am having 1 rupees coin, but that shopkeeper told me it is a old one, means it is not having any value now. Please let me see it, said Mohinder. Then Mohinder said to Ranji that please show it to me. He took the coin and looked it over. I don't suppose it's worth much, but my uncle collects old coins. Give it to me and I will give you the rod. Then what happened? Mohinder said to him, when he has seen that coin, he told, means it is not having worth value, but my uncle was having habit to collect the coins, so I will give it to him. So please you can take my rod and you give me your 1 rupee coin. All right, said Ranji, happy to make the exchange. He took the fishing rod, waved goodbye to Mohinder and set off. Means what happened? That Ranji took the rod and he exchanged the 1 rupee with that rod to Mohinder and he went away from that place. After some time, a truck came along. Ranji knew the driver and waved and shouted to him until he stopped. Will you take me to the river? Ranji asked. I am going fishing. Climb up in a bag, the driver said. After some time, what happened there? One truck was going from the road and Ranji knew the driver and he waved and shouted to him until he stopped. He was shouting loudly, stop, 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 please, because he knew the driver. Will you take me to the river? Then he was apologizing to the driver that, will you please take me to the river? I want to go for fishing. Then that driver told to him, climb up in the bag. The driver said. Ranji climbed into the back of the open truck. Soon he was watching the rod slide away from him. In a while, the truck stopped near the riverbed. Ranji got down, thanked the driver, and began walking along the bank. It was dry season and the river was just a shallow, muddy stream. Ranji walked up and down without finding water deep enough for the smallest to fish. No wonder Mohinder let me have his rod, he muttered, and with a shrug he turned back. What happened when Ranji go to the river bank? What happened there? The river was completely dry. Means he can't fish in that dry river. That Ranji muttered to himself. Means he speak himself in mind that no wonder Mohinder let me have his rod, and with a shrug he turned back and he was thinking to go back. Next part we will see in the second video.